yours.
Oh, shall we show him?
Over to you, Nutkin.
Oh, this is amazing. Your tail.
A helpful handle to grab you with.
Don't let go!
I have no intention of letting you go, you feeble fuzzball!
I'm 18!
Yeah, I won't let go. My dad always told me a good rabbit never gives up. Beatrix, dodge!
Tail feathers!
Did you see that? We really showed old Featherface. You guys are great. In fact, you're my new best friends.
Nutkin?
Can we do something like that again? Well, not exactly like that. I mean, we could perhaps leave out the part where the scary old owl carried you off to that big tree and then came after us and... What? Have I caught a... My tail! Where's my tail?
I'm really sorry, Nutkin. This is all my fault.
No, it's my fault. I should have tried to rescue you on my own.
But this is incredible! Oh, I'll be the only squirrel without a tail! An amazingly agile, simply spectacular, completely unique squirrel! Wait till I show the others! They're going to be so jealous! I thank you, I thank you, I thank you!
Wow, I've never met anyone like him before.
Me neither. He's one of a kind, that's for sure.
What do you think, guys? Isn't that just the most excellent story?
Poor Nutkin. Tail lost. You're right, Cottontail. How awful for you, Nutkin.
Don't worry. I might have lost my beloved tail, but I gained one of my best and bravest friends ever! Preston!
Peter!
Come on, Cottontail. I'd better get you home.
Sounds like a squirrel challenge to me! Hey! Wait for me, guys!
That looks like fun. Don't finish before I get back.
Bye, Nutkin.
Come on, Cottontail. Let's go home. You all right, Lily? It is too far to swim.
It's too far to row. Don't worry. I think we're almost there. How do you know? Because Rocky Island is always surrounded by mist, and I know that for a fact. Wait a second. I think I see something. Rock! No wonder it's called Rocky Island.
Look! Old Rusty's signal! This way!
Rabbits are brave. Rabbits are brave. Are you sure the signal was coming from over here?
Trust me, it's this way. Or maybe that way. I don't understand. The signal was coming from right here.
Peter!
Excuse me, old Rusty, Is that you? Hello?
There's something written on the side. What does it say, Peter?
Old Rusty. Loudest whistle in the world.
Old Rusty is a whistle lost to the island forever, just like it said in your dad's journal. Ouch! Wow, that's even louder than your whistling, Lily.
All this way for a silly old whistle.
Oh, shiny. I think maybe we should...
Storm's coming! Back to the boats!
It's okay, Benjamin. It's only thunder. I know.
All right, you three. Let's warm you up with some soup.
Wow! What a storm!
That was me this time.
Storm's over! Come on! Push!
What a mess! Look familiar? It's from our treehouse. What's it doing all the way over here?
We'd better go and check it out. Oh no!
Our treehouse! All my drawings are gone.
Oh, the telescope's missing too.
It's completely wrecked. It'll be okay, Benjamin.
Hopping hazelnuts! You guys really need to take better care of your treehouse.
It was the storm, Nutkin.
Storm? Where? I love storms.
Sorry, it's already happened.
Oh, I guess I slept through it. Hey, that explains why I woke up next to this.
Our telescope! There must be pieces of our treehouse all over the woods. Look! Tommy Brock's got some of our roof.
Do you know what else is missing? Your dad's sign.
Oh no!
What are we going to do?
There's only one thing to do. We're going to find every single piece of our treehouse, starting with that roof. Let's hop to it.
Ha! Oh, I do love the wind. It blows things around. Some of the pieces I find on the ground. Huh? Rabbits? Get off my tin!
No can do, Mr. Brock. This tin belongs to us. Isn't that right, Benjamin? Yes. I mean, yes.
I don't care. It's mine now. Stop that! No!
Sorry, but our treehouse needs its roof back.
Come back here! I'll turn you into a fur hat! Oh.
Hey, the raft! Just a little closer. God! Oh, no!
Now, let's see. What fishy delicacy have I caught? Oh. Aha! A little snack.
Quick, he's going to eat us!
Wrong way, Benjamin! Sorry, Mr. Fisher. Florence isn't just a bug. She's a friend.
Tell me sorry.
Hey, I think I'm getting the hang of this.
There she goes again.
Florence!
she went this way. I think...
I wish you'd just kept an eye on her like you'd promised.
Lily's right. This is our fault. We'll get her back, I promise.
1048, 1049. Have I beaten my record yet, Felix? I know that whistle anywhere.
I don't see her.
Oh, Florence, please come back.
Lower the platform, Felix. Our friends need us.
There she is.
Florence, we've found her. 3 cheers for us. Hip, hip. Oh, no, look. She's going to get squashed. Stop!
What's that, you say?
Stop!
Drop? Sure thing. Master Felix, put your back in the boot.
Stop!
It's no good. I can't hear you with all this noise. Felix, stop it, would you?
No!
Up! Nugkin, pull us up!
Felix, you heard them.
Let me show you. Okay, flat arm, loose wrist, pull back.
That's what I did.
Huh?
Wait, what's this?
I thought I'd read every page of my dad's journal, but I never saw that before.
That's a big fish. A really big fish. Wow.
The biggest fish I've ever seen! Oh,
What was that?
it's the same fish as the one in the drawing, and it's right here in this lake.
Maybe fishing isn't such a good idea after all. Hey, let's ask Jeremy Fisher about it. He knows everything about the lake.
Mr. Fisher, Mr. Fisher!
Mr. Fisher!
Ah, Peter, Lily, Benjamin. Florence. What brings you to these parts? No, that fish is the reason why I don't go far out on the lake anymore.
Who is he?
The meanest, strongest, nastiest fish of all. No one has ever come close to catching him. Except,
Oh, no, you don't.
Yes, Mr. Fisher. No one except...
Where was I? Oh, yes. No one except your father, Peter. One day he was out fishing and he came face to face with... Oh, no, I can't say his name.
Please, Mr. Fisher.
Tell us.
Jack Sharp. The fish is called Jack Sharp. There, I've said it.
So what happened? How come this Jack Sharp is still in the lake?
Your father was determined to catch him. He cast his line, pulled to the right, then the left, then right again. Suddenly he lost his footing, but so big was Jack that he was too much even for a great adventurer like your father to reel in.
And?
I went for help, but when I returned, Jack Sharp was gone. And your father never spoke of the great fish again. And from that day, I called Jack Sharp the one that got away.
Can I borrow your fishing rod, please, Mr. Fisher? Maybe Jack Sharp is asleep or something.
Maybe you should try wiggling the rod.
Nothing.
Can we go home now?
Wait, I think I've got him. That's him.
Run!
the rod works. Mum, I think I saw Mr. Todd's tail in the reeds.
For the last time, Peter, stop telling fibs.
But I'm not.
Shh! No talking during the performance.
And now, for my grand finale, a selection from my days as a ballet dancer. Always had good legs, you know. Tra-la-la-la-la-la.
Hey, listen, I think I saw something in the reeds.
What?
Just keep your eyes peeled for that sneaky
Fox! Oh no!
Exactly. How did you know I was going to say fox?
So, what's good to eat around here?
Run for the trees!
Oh my! Is this part of the show? Oh dear, it's not!
This is the funniest thing I've seen in ages.
I'm too young to eat lobster!
Everyone, back to the woods! Come on, girls!
Whoa, nice move, Mum! Take that!
Peter, hurry!
Let's go, Benjamin!
You too, Lily, fast! Look, my spot! The nerve of that fox! I doubt he was even invited!
Come along!
Come on now!
Oh, no, no, no. Everyone's escaped.
Not quite everyone.
Tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la.
As it happens, I do have a delicious recipe for frog's legs.
Mr. Fish is in trouble!
Tra-la-la-la.
Hungry foxes eat frogs. I know that for a fact. Rabbits are brave. Rabbits are brave.
What?
Back off, Mr. Todd!
This show just gets better and better.
Peter Rabbit, always playing the hero. Sadly, it looks like this will be your last performance.
Hurry, Peter.
Turnip for lunch again. How I wish I had some meat.
Oh dear.
Oh, lucky day.
Oh. Terribly sorry to intrude, Mr. Todd. I hope I haven't spoiled your lovely picnic.
Spoil it? On the contrary, you've improved it.
Not again. Oh, we'll never rescue him this time.
A good rabbit never gives up. We need that fishing rod again. Benjamin?
Sorry, I left it at the lake. We can make one. I've got some string and a hairpin we could use as a hook. Just in case, Pocket. Just in case.
I really must be getting back.
Oh no, I absolutely insist that you stay for lunch. It wouldn't be the same without you.
Oh.
I say, where are you going? Come down here at once.
I think I might hang about up here if it's all the same.
What now? We can't hold him forever and... Mr. Todd will still get him if we drop him.
Leave that to me! Hold tight!
Peter, be careful!
Frogs aren't supposed to fly.
And foxes aren't supposed to stand on tables. Swing, Mr. Fisher!
Oh.
Peter!
Now let go!
Ooh. Not so fast, Peter. I think I found another exciting musical sound. Creak! La 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 la. Creak! La la
Be
la
careful!
la la.
You're swinging too fast!
Isn't it marvelous?
Peter, it's too heavy! He can't hold on!
always happen to me?
Got you. What's that noise?
Lovely.
If Tommy Brock finds Mr. Fisher in his bucket, he'll gobble him up.
Lily, got any more string?
Sure. What's the plan?
When Brock leaves, get Mr. Fisher out of the bucket fast. Where are you going? I'm going fishing again, this time for a badger.
Where'd you go?
Mr. Fisher, quick!
What? Hello? Ah, Lily and Benjamin. Oh, I hope you didn't want a worm. I'm afraid I've eaten them all.
Peter, why don't you just tell us what you're looking for and then we can help you find it? Peter?
Ha!
Look out! Whoa! Hey, careful!
It's my journal. I can't find it anywhere.
Journal?
You know, the journal. The one my dad left for me.
Ow. OK, you've got to think logically. When did you last see it?
I was reading it in bed last night. Then I was dreaming. And then I heard a hoot. And then... Of course! Oh, ow!
Peter?
Old Brown stole my journal! I've got to get it back!
I'll help you.
Me too. Owl Island, here I come!
Wait, Peter! Owl Island is half a mile away. I know that for a fact. We can't swim that far.
But I've got to get over there.
What we need is a boat.
Yes, we could build one. The plans are in my dad's journal. Oh, this is exactly why we need to get it back.
Maybe the squirrels can help us.
Squirrels don't have boats, Benjamin.
No, but they have rafts. I've got this.
Ears, Benjamin.
That got their attention.
Thanks for the lift, Nutkin.
I'm not Nutkin.
You're not?
I'm not even a squirrel. And neither are my friends. Monkey with a tool belt.
Wazzy, sound the Octo alert. Octonauts, to the launch bay.
And got it.